Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone is having a great day, a great afternoon, great morning, wherever you guys are in the world. Today we're going to be reviewing on how to make money on PayPal without any upfront investment or anything like that. So we're gonna dive right into it. There's this new site, new platform called Wolf Points. I just came across it like about a month or two ago, not too long ago. So before we jump into this and how you utilize it, this is a great way to make instant cash directly that transfers into your PayPal. I know like a lot of other sites, they claim that they do one thing, but they really don't. And like, they'll offer you rewards in terms of like gift cards and other points, other bogus points that you won't really actually need, right? So again, this is very legitimate. I'll show you how. I've been getting, money every single day on my PayPal, every single week on my PayPal, right? It's my PayPal. Um, so yeah, like, if you guys want some capital, some cash flow, whether it's to start a business, whether it's for personal reasons, this is a great way, right? If you guys are thinking of, starting any other venture and don't really have any capital or don't have any cash flow that's coming in, this is a great way to make some money. About like a $50 to $100 a day, or even upwards from there. Also, it just depends on how you utilize the platform. I'm not saying that you guys are going to become like millionaires off of this. Or going to make like $5,000 to $10,000 a week. That's not what I'm saying. But again, a great way to get some cash flow in for sure, no doubt. Um, Again, guys, I'm here to be super generic and super transparent and super. I just want to deliver as much clarity as possible. Like a lot of these other people, like they're like promoting affiliate links and stuff like that. And it's stuff, it's tasks that require a lot of upfront consistent time and patience to get really that money in. But the method that I'm about to show you guys is something that works right away. It's no BS, it's no gimmicks. You can literally get cash right away, so definitely stick around till the end of the video. Just other people, man, like even Kevin David, like I'm not bashing all these people, like I respect what they do, but it's stuff like earn it 2 minute, $2 every minute right now, right? It's stuff that requires long term patience and consistent, and all these variants can affect on how much money you're getting, right? In terms of Wolf Points, this platform I'm using, you don't have to worry about any of that basically. So again, like with all the affiliate links, and it's either affiliate link or either a link to get you down like their funnel. Like this guy, like come on, really 10? He's showing you like, oh, someone like this site sent them $10,000 to finish a task. Really, man? Like that's such bullshit. Like yeah, this is such bullshit. Like yeah, dude, like come on. Really takes 10 minutes to get 10 grand. Are you kidding me? But let's just jump right into Wolf Points. Again, I only came across this like around 1.5, 2 months ago. How it basically works is every 100 points is $1. So this right here, I have $1. I had like 6 or 7 thousand points till last night, but I just cashed it in. Um, Wolf Ones also has a great referral system. Right now, I have 10 referrals, and how referral works is that for every referral that signs up through your unique link right here, you get basically you get $2, right? You get 200 points per wolf or per person that signs up. So it's pretty cool. I think before it used to be $10, but now it's $2. And what's really cool is all this accumulates right over time. It's like compound like affiliating basically, right? It just keeps accumulating as more people sign up through your original referral. So it's something that you're just getting points and money passively, right? Once you have that referral system going in place. But just to kind of show you guys like redeem points, right? So keep in mind every 100 points are basically $1, and there's a great option to send your money straight through PayPal. Again, and you guys sign up, make sure you guys use the same email that is on that you would like your money to go to on PayPal, right? Make sure you use that same money. But again, like they have all these other incentives that you can use to exchange for the points, but I personally would just take the cash. That's just personal preference, and it only takes 24 hours, which is super convenient. Before, I think the minimum was 1,000 points, but now it's 3,000. So like, let's say if you had like 8,000 points, you can do a a 3,000 point exchange, and then a 5,000 point exchange, right? So it'd be 30 plus $50, $80. So again, guys, how you guys use this is you go to earn points, and there's this thing called jobs, which kind of refer to surveys, right? There's $1 jobs, there's $5 jobs, and there's $10 jobs. $10 jobs usually take like around 15 to 20 minutes to finish, right? So let's say you do $10 jobs, which equate to 1,000 points, and let's say you do three of them and you spend basically an hour, right? You're basically making $30 an hour. That's more than the minimum wage, which is $8 at least in New Jersey where I live, or even if it's like $15, right, in other states or other countries wherever you guys are, it's way more than that. So like you see over here, they have a $10 one, $5 one, and $1 one. $1 ones are super easy. You're just kind of installing apps and stuff like that. If you have an iOS device, you get paid a little bit more. My laptop's about to die here. But yeah, like super easy. You can filter here through Android, mobile, iOS, iPad, and stuff like that. So again, guys, like this, $10 equates to 1,000, 5 to 500, and $1 to 100. So literally, guys, like I think last night I did like 4 or 5 of these, which kind of took like a little bit more than an hour, and then I did probably like 1 or 2 of these, I think, and then I'll just do like maybe this, a few of these right before I go to sleep. This is downloading a bunch of apps. It's not hard at all. So you can potentially make like upwards upwards of $50 per hour if you use this platform to its full potential. There's no doubt about that at all. Um, and again, guys, it's super easy. If you guys want to refer other people, you just go to your dashboard and you just literally copy that link. My Wi-Fi is super slow, guys, cause my some issue happened with my router. I have Optimum. I'm just using like a replacement router right now, which is super low in speed. So bear with me on how this interface is working right now. But yeah, guys, like no gimmicks, really simple. Literally, like if you want to spend an hour a day, if you want to spend 5 hours a day, it's up to you on how much time you want to spend on this. And it's a great way to get get some cash in. Whether if you want to invest into a drop shipping business, start e-commerce, start affiliate marketing, start like anything, guys. A social media marketing agency, it can be anything, or it can be even if you guys want cash for some personal reasons, right? It's definitely amazing. A great, again, this is your affiliate link right here. I'm not even gonna leave my affiliate link down in the sign up, guys. I'm just gonna literally leave the Wolf Points link, right? I just want to give pure value and pure insight and keep it as generic and honest and clear as possible for you guys. So again, like none of that BS. But yeah, I'm gonna be making more videos in the future. Probably my next video or the video after would be kind of how to go around investing your time, money, and energy efficiently to get some capital and some cash flow. And if you guys do want to start a business or a venture, because keep in mind most businesses, some more than other, they do require a little bit of capital, right? You have to have that that readiness to lose a little bit, right? It's like mostly high risk, high reward in most businesses. So just keep that in mind. So just kind of relating off to that, I'm going to be making a video on how to go about ways to, make some passive income, make some quick bucks, just like this, right? Make cash instantly for you to invest or even for personal reasons. So it's a lot of the things that I personally did back when I was in high school, even till like 2 or 3 years ago. Basically just side jobs, side hustles, and stuff like that. Yeah, you can utilize. So it's gonna be a full-fledged, full video. With definitely a lot of value. That's what I strive to keep in every single video. So definitely keep a lookout on that, guys. Other than that, guys, please comment down below of how Wolf Points works for you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Definitely, guys, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this month, so let's all make that happen collaboratively. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my Facebook group down in the description below. It's called Shopify Masterminds. If anyone is looking into starting e-commerce or already in e-commerce, want some advice, want some insight, definitely follow that group and join it. I'm also gonna be leaving my Instagram username in the description as well. So if you guys want to stay in touch with me and what I'm up to, feel free to give me a follow. Otherwise, hope you guys have an amazing day, afternoon, night, wherever you guys are in the world. And I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. Alright, guys? Let's kill 2019. Peace.